In primetime news this evening, residents continue to ignore dengue prevention warnings.
Residents are saying we should pay them for their old fridges and old stove.
64 dead, thousands of suspected and confirmed cases. Authorities paint grim picture of the country's dengue outbreak. And politicians argue for pay increase and other benefits.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onesportmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I'm Vashon Brown. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Andrea Chisholm is here to give us a preview. Andrea?
Vashon, Proven Investments is again proving that it's in fact a force to reckon with. The company has announced plans to acquire a commercial bank in the Eastern Caribbean, and I'll have more on that in the business day.
And you just never know what Jermaine Brown is going to say, and he has a preview with our sport.
Thank you, Janelle. Have you ever heard about the luck of the Irish? No? Yes? Well, it wasn't quite luck for the Irish today. They did the business against the West Indies in the first T20 International, winning. We'll have the details when we come back.
All right, we look forward to that later on, Jermaine. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Tonight we're asking this: what is your reaction to the arguments made by parliamentarians for an increase in salary and benefits?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.